there is no place like home. We carefully choose our cleaning tools, look at performance, efficiency, user-friendliness, versatility, hygiene, environment friendliness, and even special filtration for allergic and asthmatic people. Dust and dust mites are not only dirt lying on surfaces, but also the most diffused cause for allergies and asthma, together with pollen and pet dander. Clean it must be. The Lux S115 makes it possible. It all starts on the floor, where the S115 floor brushes remove dirt from carpets, linoleum, wooden or tiled flooring. The brush rolls of the PB Intelligence motor brush reach deep between carpet fibers or into the tile grooves, removing even the most persistent dirt. When cleaning upholstery or mattresses, the ideal tool is PL1. A compact and powerful motor brush, removing dust mites from the depth of the stuffing, while refreshing the fabric surfaces. The outstanding filtration performance of the S115 is particularly suitable for allergic and asthmatic people. For its design, ease of use, and functionality, the S115 vacuum cleaner has also been awarded the renowned German Plus X Award. S115, the new quality of healthy cleaning.